Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. Today I have with me Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 and in this video I am going to show you how to hard reset these earbuds. So let's start. So first of all, open the wearable app on your device and then you have to scroll down, and here you can see we have this option of earbuds settings. So you have to select this option, and then inside the earbuds settings you have to scroll down, and here you can see we have this option of reset. So first of all, you have to insert these earbuds inside the charging case. So I will insert them one by one like this. Make sure they are properly connected. Okay, and then what you have to do, you have to select this reset option. So I will select this reset option, and then here it will ask you again if you really want to reset your earbuds. So select this reset option again, and then it will start doing the reset for these earbuds. So now you can see my earbuds are now completely hard reset, and now you can connect them back. So select this start option from here, and then it will start making the connection. So here you can see Galaxy Buds 3 are showing in available devices. I will select it, and then it will start pairing. So I will select this pair option from here, and then you just have to wait for few seconds. And here you can see you have this option for review. You can select this continue, and then you are all set. So now your Buds 3 are connected with your device, and they are also connected with wearable app. Now you can use all of these features for Buds 3. So guys, I already made a separate video about how to use these earbuds, so you can also watch that video. So this is for today's video. Please like this video and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.